Alright, today we're going to do a video of a 1995 Cincinnati hydraulic CNC press brake. It's a model 175 AF-8, serial number 48286. The machine was just retrofitted with the new Gen 6 control by Cincinnati. The machine has auto crowning. It's a 6-axis back gauge. You have palm buttons, foot pedals. The electrical cabinet. I'm going to start with the back gauge. Do some single axis movements. Move your R axis, which is up and down. Then you have your Z axis. Stroke the machine. You can switch over to the foot pedals as well. This machine can be seen under power in New Jersey. Thank you for watching.